That's actually a good idea. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hey everyone, so if you haven't been here before, my name is Rory and, well, I run this channel here. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at my income. Now, this is by no means my full-time job as well. For starters, I'm only 16 years old and, well, I've only got around 5,000 subscribers, which isn't a huge amount. But, you know, it's a little bit of money that I've made for myself as a small creator. Now, this is by no means a way for me to brag about how much money I'm making. I'm making thousands and thousands a month. No, that's not even true for starters, but I just feel like when I watch these kind of videos, I really benefit from them, just learning about different streams of income and, well, how realistic earning money on YouTube can be. And also, I feel if I can be transparent with you guys, then hopefully I can then help you to build, well, your own YouTube channels if you're starting a YouTube channel. So there is 2 main streams of income that I have going on this channel. And we'll get a bit more into detail about them later on in this video, but I just wanted to say, if you wanted to skip to any particular parts in this video, timestamps will be left in the description below. And, well, you've even got that boxing, I don't know where it is, there's like a box down here I think now that you can like skip to different scenes, which, thanks YouTube, that's quite cool. Now let's go over my first and biggest stream of income, and that is Adsense, and it's the one that's most common between all YouTubers. Now, if you don't know what Adsense is, it's made by Google and it's basically companies paying to have their own ad displayed onto your videos. And, well, the most common one you get is that skippable one where you wait like 5 seconds, then you can skip it, or you even get ones like banners, and even the most annoying ones like the non-skippable ones, which none of us like them. But what you'll find is that most of the companies, the ads that they'll be displaying on your videos will be related to the particular niche that your channel is about, or the particular niche that that particular video is about. And to start monetizing your YouTube videos, to be able to put ads onto your videos, you have to reach a certain goal set out by YouTube. And that is reaching 1,000 subscribers and reaching 4,000 watch hours on all your videos combined. And we'll go a little bit about my journey of how I got that later on in the video. So if we take a look at my YouTube AdSense, as we can see, I made my first dollar in September of 2020. And I think the exact date was September the 25th, and I made $5 on my first day. And this was, well, September 2020, this is about 4 months ago from today's date. And in September, I made a total of $45.43. Then in October, $296.23, November, $305.44, in December, $319.86, and, well, now at the moment in January, I've made so far $219.73. So pretty similar. There's not been too much change in the months so far. But this then brings us to a total over the 4 months of $1,186.70. So let's look at 1 month in particular, and we're going to have a look at November. And in November of 2020, I got a total of 28,400 views, and I made $305.44. And if we go to revenue here, we can get more stats on my revenue. And the important stat we want to look at here is the RPM. And what the RPM is basically how much YouTube will pay you per 1,000 views. So every 1,000 views I got in November, it got an average of, I made $10.76, which is why it got to that total of $305 in that 28,000 views. Now, compared to other YouTubers, if you've seen other YouTubers' income, well, you may recognize that that's considerably higher compared to how many views I am getting. But if you've seen other videos on this channel, you'll know that we talk mostly about making money with self-publishing books at the moment. Now, YouTube channels based around making money will have a considerably higher RPM than, say, channels based around chess or football or even photography, because companies will pay more to have their ads displayed, which means your payment will be higher. And that's why we're seeing Graham Stephen, whose channel is based around making money, is earning considerably more in AdSense, like millions in AdSense, compared to other channels that get similar amounts of views. Now let's move on to my second stream of income, and that is affiliates. So some of you may see that I have multiple links in my description below taking you to different websites such as Creative Fabrica, BookBolt and Helium 10. And now, unfortunately, I Can't show you exactly how much I made from BookBolt and Helium 10 alone due to the nature of their softwares, and I don't particularly want to be getting in any trouble, but I will tell you that I made a total of, combined from both of them, $588, which it's not a bad amount. That's a decent amount. And now the beauty behind BookBolt and Helium 10 is that they are monthly subscriptions. So that means that, say for example, you pay $20 for their subscription, and that's a monthly subscription that you have to pay. Well, I'll get a 25% commission of that. So that means every month I'll get a recurring $2.50. And the beauty behind that is that once you pay for it once, I don't have to do any work after that again, and this is what passive income is called. And this will just carry on forever, earning that $2.50 a month, unless you were to cancel your subscription, which please don't, by the way. And now let's move on to the final affiliate where I make money, and that is Creative Fabrica. Now, Creative Fabrica is slightly different, and how it works is, instead, whenever you click onto that link, it's basically like a redirecting link. It will link you straight into their website, Creative Fabrica, and say you were to go and buy one of their graphics, well, I'll basically get a 25% commission of that. And the same, they also have in Creative Fabrica a monthly subscription you can pay for. Again, the same process follows, where every month I'll get 25% of that monthly payment that you pay. And now if we go to my Creative Fabrica dashboard, as you can see all my different transactions that I've made. I like to make mine every 2 or every month. I like to take out my money, and in total I have made from Creative Fabrica $514.70, which, you know, isn't too bad whatsoever. I'm not complaining at all. And so if we add all my different income streams together from YouTube ads, BookBolt, Helium 10 and Creative Fabrica, I've made a total from this YouTube channel $2,289.40, which, you know, is really incredible to me, because I earned my first penny 6 months ago. I remember it. I remember it was a BookBolt commission. I got my first penny. And, you know, to come from there to earning $2,289, it's really mind-blowing to me. So we've had a little look at how much money I made. And, well, if you're still watching, I am so very, very grateful for that. But now let's have a little talk about my personal YouTube journey. Now, I started this YouTube channel properly. It was around March. I think it was towards the end of March 2020. And at the time, I only had 39 subscribers, which, you know, that's not a huge amount. And now, if you know anything about starting a YouTube channel or growing a YouTube channel, you'll know that the hardest thing is getting those initial views. And like anyone, well, I struggled. I created various different videos targeting different sorts of niches to get into, until I found one video where I talked about how I made a bit off Amazon KDP, self-publishing books, and how much I made in my first 3 months, which I think to this day is still my most viewed video. And then after I saw how well that video did, well, that brings us to now, where we are at this moment, January, what's the date? January 24th. Now, one of the hardest things I've found with this YouTube channel so far is getting that initial 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And to be honest, I thought the 1,000 subscribers would be harder than the watch hours. However, the 4,000 watch hours I find so much harder, because if you think about it, that is actually quite a lot. I think I got it a month or over a month after I hit my initial 1,000 subscribers. But if you lean in, I'm going to tell you a little secret about how you get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is a very top secret YouTube secret. Top secret YouTube secret. And that is, hang on, I'm going to lean into the microphone. Be consistent. That's really all it takes. You've just got to be consistent. Ever since I started in March, I've consistently been posting 2 and most of the time even 3 videos every week. It's been a struggle, but to be honest, now I can start to see it paying off. I can start to see it by I'm making a bit of money for myself. But anyway, I'll stop waffling, because what I'm trying to get at is that $2,289.40 might not seem like a huge amount over a year, but the thing is, I didn't properly start earning money until September of 2020, which is only 4 months ago. And to be earning that huge amount in such a short period of time, especially to me, like I said, I don't have a huge amount of experience with creating online businesses. It's my first proper thing. Well, it really just amazes me and brings a lot of joy to me, and that's the only way I can describe it, really, because, you know, I've put in all this effort over the year to try and build this as much as I can, and, well, I'm finally believing like we can get somewhere. And well, one of the key things that I have told myself is that any money that I earn, make sure that I put it straight back into this business to help build it, help grow it, and well, hopefully we can take it somewhere. But anyway, on a real note, thank you guys so much for all the support you've been giving me. Without you, none of this would have been possible. Without you out there, you right there, none of this would be possible. And all I can say is, let's make 2021 our year and go for your goals, go for what you want to do. That was a bit cringy, wasn't it? Anyway, I'll see all you lot in the next one, and goodbye. Oh yeah, and thank you to James Matthews for the inspiration for that intro. I'm hoping me and editing managed to make it look decent enough to put in this video.